क्या शॉर्ट्स पे गौर करना चाहिए कि लॉन्ग फॉर्म पे गौर करना चाहिए?
We have crossed nearly 650 monthly logged in viewers. Indians percent listen to podcasts are saying they are most likely to watch it. Million channels uploaded content on YouTube in India last year.
क्या ये सच है जो हमारी क्रिएटर्स की, जो पुराने वाले क्रिएटर्स हैं, प्रताड़ना रही है कि सीपीएम सब कम हो गए हैं? ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
The last 3 years already, YouTube paid out 21 crore. Over the next 2 years, YouTube is committed to invest 850. There's now 15,000 channels that have crossed that number.
बाप रे!
This number has doubled in just the last 2 years.
तो टेक्निकली जहां तक मैं समझ रहा हूँ ये हो गया है कि हम सब क्रिएटर बन गए हैं, तो सब में बट रहा है भाई। कद्दू कटेगा सब में बटेगा, इसीलिए अपना सीपीएम
और बढ़ेगा।
और बढ़ेगा। ओके, डू चीयर्स एंड देन वी गो बैक।
चलिए जी।
ब्रांड्स इन एजेंसीज, क्या ऐसी चीज है जो ब्रांड्स को जाननी चाहिए क्रिएटर्स के बारे में और क्रिएटर्स को जाननी चाहिए ब्रांड्स के बारे में?
It's important for brands to know, and this was one of the key themes in the Brandcast yesterday, that
Hi Gunjan.
Hi,
Good
Siddharth.
morning. How are you doing?
Very good. How are you
So
doing,
nice to
man?
see you.
Yes,
Are we
absolutely.
twinning?
Come.
No. We've got
Oh, it
green and
looks
green
like
going.
we definitely are.
That's so cool. What were you looking at?
I was just enjoying the morning coffee and trying to start the day with you.
सही है, आ जाओ फिर। YouTube पे आपके CPMs ऊपर नीचे क्यों चल रहे हैं? अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि हमें हमारी टीम्स को लगता है से लेके शॉर्ट्स ही करने चाहिए या लॉन्ग फॉर्म ही, वर्सेस क्या आपको कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मुसहरी साहब इतना खुद को दर्शाते हैं कैमरा पे, तो आप लोगों को भी प्रेशर हो गया है क्या कि आप लोग भी आए और दर्शाएं अपने आप को? की सब बातें करेंगे, लेकिन हम चलते हैं, चलिए गाड़ी की तरफ।
Done. चलिए।
हाय गुंजन, वेलकम टू मैशेबल मॉर्निंग्स।
Hi.
कैसी हो आप?
Good to see you again. बहुत बढ़िया।
तो कई जगहों पर आर्टिकल्स में लिखा था एमडी एंड सीईओ, कई जगहों पर सीईओ, तो क्या बोलना चाहेंगे हम, क्या परफेक्ट रहेगा?
MD is good enough.
एमडी इज गुड इनफ।
MD कंट्री लीड, जो आप बोलना चाहें।
वाह वाह वाह।
मैं वही हूँ, कंपनी वही है।
तो आपसे बात करके हमारा सब्सक्राइबर काउंट डबल नहीं कर सकते ना हम? ऐसा मतलब वो वाले हैक्स नहीं डिप्लॉय करने ना?
Hopefully you don't need any hacks. ऐसे ही हमारा सब्सक्राइबर काउंट बढ़ता जा रहा है। You've already crossed 1 million.
Thank you. We've still not unboxed the gold button. It's so weird of us.
उसका भी समय आएगा।
आपकी जिंदगी बहुत ही अलग दुनिया से चालू होती है। Like I want to tell the world and all girls watching this that बरकतुल्लाह महाविद्यालय जाके भी या विश्वविद्यालय जाके लड़की YouTube से CEO MD बन सकती है। ये दर्शाने वाली बात है, क्यों? तो कभी उन दिनों की याद करती हो भोपाल की, और क्या उधर से पढ़ाई किया जो आज भी यूज करती हो?
याद करते हैं बिल्कुल। इनफैक्ट आई वाज देयर फॉर आवर 25th anniversary just a few months back.
Oh, like a meetup, like an alumnus
like
meetup?
an alumni meetup. And I hadn't been to Bhopal for more than I think 15 years, so it was so nice to go back. फिर से कॉलेज में घुस के many of the professors are still there, so it was very special.
वाह।
वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स ने भी यही पूछा था हम सबसे। आई थिंक द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कि आप सीख जाते हो एक तो मेहनत करना, और यू ऑल्सो लर्न हाउ टू, आई थिंक, स्टार्ट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग। इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री यही सिखाती है, एंड देन बाकी तो यू कीप लर्निंग, देयर इज नो एंड टू इट।
बट 96 में गुंजन आपने कंप्यूटर साइंस चूज किया, दैट इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट चॉइस फॉर दैट टाइम।
यस।
तो ये क्यों किया?
I was absolutely in love with computers. I started doing projects. Pascal तो बाद में आया, even COBOL. Like I was just like into it from I think 9th onwards. जब से स्कूल में कंप्यूटर वो बड़ा सा एक गंदा सा दिखने वाला शुरू हुआ।
कितना बड़ा था वो कंप्यूटर?
It was like this big.
Wow. And like the
monitor.
coolant?
And the coolant used to surround it, and only that area used to be air conditioned, so partly that also used to be the enthusiasm, I'm sure. But I was absolutely in love with computers and coding and what all was possible. In fact, I remember my first project that I made I think I was in 10th then was on, mini form of stockbroking, because I was also very interested in how the stock
What?
markets play. And my teacher's like, I'm just giving you good marks because I don't even know
What you're doing?
what this is about. But it shows buy, sell, something happens, so it must be good enough. So
Wow.
that's how my journey started. And I've never fallen out of love with the power of computing and technology.
I'm sure, because at the end of the day, YouTube does fall into Google, which is a tech company.
Absolutely. At the heart of it, this is all about the power of technology and
है ना?
empowering.
देख लिया था. But first engineering लोगों को सबको नमन. Thank you folks. आप लोग ने बहुत अच्छा किया हमारी जिंदगी में. We're sitting in an engineering marvel.
That's true. That's true.
But-
And what a marvel.
एंड कंप्यूटर लैब के बाहर जूता उतार के फिर जाना एक पूरा 90s किड्स का एक वो है हमारा तो कोर
मेमोरी बैंक में है वो.
बट उसके बाद आप XLR आई गई जमशेदपुर. डिड यू वर्क अ लिटिल बिफोर?
I did. I was in Infosys.
Oh yes, that 1 year of Infosys is what is made to the headlines when you got onto YouTube.
I think it just makes for a good story.
But ये बताओ कि Infosys में आप क्या कर रही थी and what was the work culture like over there at that time?
I think in many ways it was the almost the golden age, right, of how the IT services boom and what was happening in India. And I think we were all so lucky to I think even while I was doing engineering, like you said, when I started, computer science was not the thing.
हाँ जी.
But by the time I finished, it was already starting to rise and shine. So Infosys, TCS, all of these were like
सत्यम हुआ करता था तभी.
Satyam was also there. So these were so coveted, and that landed me in Bangalore. And I think in many ways they ensured that it was extension of campus life for a lot of us. I remember even going to office over the weekend because we could just be with friends, colleagues. There was no boundaries, and there were so many facilities to. It was a big thing, right, about Infosys. You could swim, you could do tennis, you could do this. So it was a very special culture, and there was a lot of focus on training because the number of students that these companies were absorbing was far more than what was coming out from that discipline. So I had a blast. Absolutely, I could not have. And what was I doing? It never really felt like work. As I said, I loved coding, so I was doing exactly that for. Even now I preserve client confidentiality, so I'll not say for whom, but a lot of the work was happening for
20 years
for
you
American
preserved
companies.
it.
See? But XLR was the place where I found my second professional love, which was marketing. So I owe the place and and many friendships from there.
तब तक YouTube आया नहीं था तो YouTube से आपका परिचय थोड़ा बाद में हो रहा है. But congratulations on 20 years of YouTube internationally
Thank you.
and
Thank
about
you.
17 in India.
Yes,
है ना?
17.
हाँ क्या बात है. But आएंगे YouTube तक. आप लोग प्लीज थोड़ा पेशेंस रखें हमारे साथ. Again, the thing about it is कि big 1 or 2 learnings which you like ऐसा होता है ना, कई बार हम कोर पे वापस जाते हैं. तो वहाँ की कोई ऐसी learnings marketing या any of the other things जो MBA स्कूल से उठाया आपने जो आपको अभी भी काम आती हैं.
I think एक तो लेट नाइट्स करना.
Late nights is just
उसकी एक
the
स्किल
norm.
जो सीख ली वो तो I think it becomes a superpower for everyone.
That's so true.
But I think on the work side, storytelling was really the big thing that drew me to marketing, right? So I think a lot of people confuse marketing, sales. I mean, for me, the power of marketing is really thoughtful storytelling and how that can actually shape people's thinking and culture, and that then can lead to choice for certain brands, and all that is a different story. But fundamentally, how do you influence people and their thinking through the art of storytelling? To me, that is real marketing, right? It's like you're not trying to sell anything. You want people to believe that they need it.
या बट मुझे लगने लगे गुंजन कि आज की तारीख में गुड मार्केटिंग प्रोडक्ट में इंटीग्रेटेड है. मतलब प्रोडक्ट के अंदर ही वो कुछ ऐसा कर दिया गया है जो मार्केट होगा अपने आप से यूजीसी द्वारा. ऐसा मेरे को लगता है. आप क्या
प्रोडक्ट
मानती हैं?
का रोल हमेशा ऐसे ही था. इट्स नॉट न्यू, राइट? आई मीन, इफ यू डोंट हैव अ गुड प्रोडक्ट, यू हैव नथिंग टू ऑफर. I mean, you can have like a flash in the pan story, but if you see any enduring brand, they always stand on product. But difference ये है कि sometimes I feel like when the big thing about the brands of the previous era was just longevity, right? So therefore, started in 18 whatever 1831, 21, 16 whatever is the big thing in that era of branding, because longevity meant trust and survival.
Correct.
Today, that's not the case, because the ability to get awareness because of the digital medium is far higher, right? Earlier, you could not, right? If you had to really even get your brand name into adjacent states or cities, like it was a very, very difficult time for marketers, 100 years ago,
हाँ,
really.
सही बोली आप, अभी मतलब 20-25 साल पहले भी.
Yeah, so I think today that has gone away, and I think that is why we actually see that the product shines through even more, to your point.
Yeah.
But चाहिए तो पहले भी था, but time लगता था लोगों को discover करने में.
सही बात है. मतलब पहले ऐसा था कि लॉक हो तो गोदरेज वाला, अब ऐसा हो गया कि लॉक मेरा एस्थेटिक भी होना चाहिए, मेड इन इंडिया भी हो सकता है, सस्टेनेबल हुआ तो और अच्छे.
सब चीज चाहिए.
सब चीज चाहिए भाई, सब चीज चाहिए. तो उसके बाद वाला जो सीन होता है लाइफ का, ऑफ कोर्स फर्स्ट जॉबर्स को भी नमस्कार सब लोगों को, क्योंकि हमने इन्फोसिस की बात की. मेरे काफी सारे अच्छे मित्र फर्स्ट जॉब से हैं. All of my best friends, apart from the best friend made from college and school. But then you did the long stint. The McKinsey bit comes in now. तो क्या आपको ये लगता है कि सब लोगों को एक बार ऐसा कंसल्टेंसी वाली नौकरी करके आनी चाहिए, क्योंकि एक्सेल शीट से बहुत अच्छे हो जाते हैं वो लोग?
I can't say for all people, but for me, consulting बहुत natural choice लगी मुझे, because I'm just wired with curiosity. So it was always like, the biggest fear exiting from MBA was, because MBA was the route to, explore the world.
Yeah.
And then the biggest fear was that, मैं किसी एक चीज में अगर अपने आप को lock in कर लिया, तो how would it work, right? And therefore, when when I read about McKinsey, and I actually read that very small book called The McKinsey Way, and I was like, this really feels like me.
Yeah.
So I think for me that was the moment that I knew this is the place I want to be, provided they take me, which is never easy.
Really? Was it very difficult then also?
It was very difficult then also, and XLRI at that time was not a regular campus. So I would say that if you are the kind of person who wants to explore different things, wants to learn what leadership is about, I think consulting is a really great stepping stone. But otherwise, a lot of skill sets can be learned in many places. So I wouldn't say that analytics is a core skill set in many professions and jobs. And same is true for strategic thinking, operations. So I wouldn't say that, but I think the sheer variety and exposure to senior leadership and how they think at very early stages in the career is very unique to consulting, because we were young kids, and you would not be able to get that preview into how the senior leaders in corporations are thinking. So I think that's really what makes consulting very special.
So nice. तो if I may, उस समय जो व्यक्ति MBA करके मैकेंजी टाइप की मतलब बिग फोर्स में काम कर रहे थे, उनकी क्या स्टार्टिंग सैलरी होती थी, या आप कितना पाई थी?
मुझे अब याद नहीं है, but I think it was really good, because it was like, my God, you're in a good place. So
really?
I think yeah, definitely. I think consulting was a very well-paying job opportunity at that point, and definitely all of us who were there felt blessed and very well taken care of, right? Because अब मुझे travel अभी भी पसंद है travel, but not as much for work. But I think at that time, being able to fly to clients, stay in good hotels and so on, that doesn't happen when you're just coming out of your B school.
Yeah.
So I think yes, consulting was a very good job, and I think still is.
Yeah, that's so true.
I'm very loyal.
जितने कंसल्टेंसी के folks देख रहे हैं, प्लीज हमें बताएं कमेंट्स में कि आप लोग क्यों देख रहे हो. मेरे को जानना है, but there is partner level तक पहुंचना is a big up to you, because that in itself can be quite a time-taking process, right? So kudos. I think that's about that. But Gen Z के लिए एक टिप अगर आप देना चाहेंगे या 2-3 टिप on long sustaining job stints, because you were there for 6-7 years.
10 years.
10 years, mark kasam. So 10 years, why and how does one sustain 10 years in a company?
I think why now? You are asking very pointed questions. I think why, as long as you are learning, and you're right, like many Gen Zs now often fear that if they stay too long, will they be seen as, boring or not willing to learn and explore enough? I don't think it matters. I think what matters is that every few years, if you're doing something different, whether it's in the same company or a different company, and are you changing, 2 or 3 axes, right? There is an axis of learning which can be very vertical specific, or it can be functional, कि आप अभी marketing करते थे, अब आप HR करना चाहते हो, whatever. Or it could be, people related and geography related. So in many companies, you have opportunities to go to different locations. So I think that also, opens up new learning. So
That's true.
I don't think one needs to feel it's an artificial norm that you need to really change a job. Like the job can be changed within the same company, and a lot of companies are pretty large and able to offer you that. And for me, it was always that, right? That you always think 2 years I will decide again, but every 2 years if you feel that you are learning and you're doing something different and you're feeling challenged enough, then you just keep going, right? There is no point in just change for its own sake.
Yeah, I'll bring in what Kusha said yesterday when she opened, कि जब बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा था हमारे टाइम पे, एंड आई एम अ 90s किड, तो आप लोग जज कर लें अपने आप ही, तब डॉक्टर इंजीनियर मैं पायलट बोलता था, कभी एरोस्पेस इंजीनियर बोलता था उसके बाद, बट लाइक आप बचपन में क्या बोलती थी, क्या बनना चाहती हैं आप?
You would be very surprised. I used to also say कि मैं पायलट या डिटेक्टिव बनना चाहती हूँ.
क्यों ब्योमकेश बख्शी देखती थी? You have to do a fist bump to me.
Were you also into all this?
No, I was Chacha Chaudhary. Big Chacha Chaudhary fan. Really privileged to know Raghu bhai now, but like it's just Sabu was like a guy for me. Like,
Absolutely.
But कल जो कुशा बोली वो ये बोली कि आजकल लोग बोलते हैं मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर बनूंगा या मैं क्रिएटर बनूंगा, तो
it is a dream career.
है ना?
Yes.
कुछ है क्या आपके पास ऐसा डेटा पॉइंट लाई हो क्या हमारे लिए, जो हम बोल सकते हैं कि भाई इंडियंस इतना कंटेंट देख रहे हैं दिन में बैठ के या महीने में या साल में?
बिल्कुल.
बताओ.
अगर मैं नंबर्स नहीं लाऊंगी तो क्या लाऊंगी?
हाँ जी, अरे बोलिए, आप बोलिए बिंदास.
So I think I'll give you 2-3 very different numbers, right? Which also talks about all the changes and shifts that are happening in consumption. So I know everybody is talking about shorts these days, so let me start with that, and I'm very happy to share that we have crossed nearly 650 million monthly logged in viewers.
Just on shorts?
Just on shorts on YouTube, just in India.
Wow.
Right? So I guess that just tells you how massive this phenomena is. अब मैं आपको एक different statistics देती हूँ, which is we are all also falling in love with our big screens and what we are watching there. So YouTube's reach on connected TVs has crossed 75 million users.
Wait, तो by that you mean जो TV consumption है?
No, so TV like content consumption is different from consuming it on TV. So this is what when you watch it on your large screen.
Very nice.
So 75 million people in India are watching YouTube on the big screen in their home.
Good for advertisers यार, आप पूरी फैमिली को एडवर्टाइज कर सकते हो. And thank you for all of those people जो हमारा कंटेंट संडे को देखते हैं, अपने परिवार के साथ खाते हुए. हमको सबसे बड़ा आदर मिलता है उस बात को.
Absolutely. And on that one, just so that I can give you data for your own category.
मेरे को लगा हमारे चैनल के एनालिटिक्स खोल के ले आएंगे.
नहीं, चैनल के नहीं, category level. See, you would be really, I think for me this was a surprise that we think that podcasts are always meant to be an audio medium, right?
Yeah.
कि आप travel करते हुए सुन रहे हो, कई लोग बोलते हैं हम जिम करते हुए सुन रहे थे, whatever. But actually, Indians, 93% of Indians who listen to podcasts or consume podcasts weekly are saying they are most likely to watch it in a video format. So aap jo kar rahe ho, this is exactly what people enjoy in India.
इसी
And
बात
this
पे
is
subscribe
this
कर
is
लो।
20 points more than even the trend in US, because
Yeah.
in US it's about 73% of people who prefer watching podcasts. 93% in India. I think it's just like a mind-bogglingly large number.
देसी इज किलिंग इट। ये बहुत ही सुंदर बात बताई आपने, क्योंकि हाई प्रोडक्शन वैल्यू हो, लो प्रोडक्शन वैल्यू हो, अच्छा कंटेंट देखा जाएगा, बट वीडियो बनाओ,
बिल्कुल
है ना।
बिल्कुल।
और आप लोग सब्सक्राइब करने का मैंने दलील पहला दिया 1 मिनट पहला, बट कर लो। हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, वहाँ पर एक टीम है जो बाहर से आपको दिखा रही है, वो पूरी मेहनत कर रही है बहुत जोर की। तो क्या शॉर्ट्स पे गौर करना चाहिए कि लॉन्ग फॉर्म पे गौर करना चाहिए? टू एनीबॉडी स्टार्टिंग आउट और एनी अदर क्रिएटर वाचिंग दिस
Yeah.
राइट नाउ?
I think they all play a different role.
ठीक है।
Or I can also, say with confidence that I think YouTube is just one platform where we are completely agnostic, right? And we want to make sure every type of format can shine. So I don't see from that perspective it matters. It really matters where you feel comfortable. We are seeing a lot more new creators preferring to enter with short form.
ठीक है।
And then many of them graduate to doing some wonderful work on long form. And then they go on to create their own IPs, right? Just like
Yeah.
yourself.
हाँ जी।
And then now even short form IPs are happening. Mini
Yeah.
dramas are a very real thing. So that's why I'm saying it's not about the format, it's what you feel as the, your creative canvas, which one you prefer,
सही
right?
बोली
I mean, someone prefers oil painting, someone is most comfortable in water painting, but
Correct. मस्त है।
so I think that is the way I would think about it. You can be successful with any and all of them,
And that's
especially on YouTube.
परफेक्ट। तो आप लोग ये बताओ कि हमारे शॉर्ट्स कौन से आपको याद है मैशेबल मॉर्निंग्स के? बॉम्बे जर्नी के नहीं, मैशेबल मॉर्निंग्स के।
Mashable Mornings के.
बहुत जरूरी बात है।
In fact, I really loved your episode with Nikhil Kamath, who
It's so
is
nice, no?
also, and who is also like he's obviously a
huge
very
podcaster
huge
in India now.
podcaster himself.
हमें कमी थी सर पॉडकास्टिंग की दुनिया वाले लोगों की, जो आप आ गए कम्पीट करने।
I really enjoyed that, and I mean, actually, you do really brilliant work, Siddharth. So it's a
Thank
real
you.
pleasure to do this with you, and I think the quality of thinking and the blend that you bring, तो वो stories समझने में मजा आता है ना, and then that way shorts are a good way to understand that hook. So maybe
Yeah.
that's at least one very good use case of shorts, and I'm glad you bring that up, because just how you are using the short and long form, we are seeing actually long form content users do that brilliantly. Especially the movie industry is using it very well with trailers,
Correct.
music video drops, and so it's a great way to build the hype and the promotion cycle.
सम ऑफ क्वेश्चन, मुझे जो 3 सबसे बड़ी चीजें लगी हैं वो ये है कि यार अगर आपके पास कैमरा और वॉइस है जो सिंपल आपके फोन में है और
Correct.
आवाज है, तो आप लोग पॉडकास्ट करें ना, हमको सुनना है। बट उसका भी नंबर हो तो बताइए कि कितने पॉडकास्ट हैं यहाँ इंडिया में, क्योंकि मुझे जानना है कितना कंपटीशन है। और दूसरा, लॉन्ग फॉर्म और शॉर्ट फॉर्म का अच्छा मिक्स ही परफेक्ट मिक्स है। और तीसरा कि जस्ट डू विजुअल फर्स्ट कंटेंट। इतना है देश में देखने को। మీరు తెలుగు మాట్లాడితే తెలుగులో మాట్లాడండి, హిందీలో మాట్లాడితే హిందీలో మాట్లాడండి। आई कैन हैव द नैक ऑफ स्पीकिंग इन अनदर लैंग्वेज। ये मल्टीलिंगुअलिटी पूरी दुनिया में नहीं है भाई, उन लोगों को केवल इंग्लिश आता है कई जगहों पर।
But actually, that again is a brilliant point, right? That India ki this linguistic diversity is such a powerful force. And I know when you were in FanFest yesterday, we were just talking about Sanju Rathore because
Yeah.
he had finished his act, right? Now, who could imagine that this individual from a small village where you didn't even have internet, just on the power of his talent and passion, and obviously getting a fantastic global stage and audience, through YouTube, he's able, he broke through the global music video charts.
Yeah, no.
And he was performing on FanFest, and we could all see that he lit the stage on fire.
भाई crowd पागल
And,
हो गया था कल.
पागल हो गया था crowd, and he was just so brilliant. So I think this linguistic thing is such a strength of India.
Yeah.
And now, you know many languages, but even if you don't know, your content can travel because, again, just to give people a tip, there is a multilingual audio dubbing feature
Haan ji.
that you can use on YouTube. And it's actually allowing content to travel. And, by many statistics, nearly 15 to 20% of content is being consumed that's created by creators not in the primary language in which they made it. So I think that's another very useful thing for especially the creators to keep in mind.
तो
That you
जैसे
don't need
Mr.
to feel limited.
जैसे मिस्टर बीस्ट कर रहे हैं उनका मतलब सब बहुत भाषाओं में दिखता है.
Correct. You don't need to feel limited at all, right? Technology plays a role where it can. We should absolutely leverage it.
तो आप ये कह रहे हैं कि हम ये सेम पॉडकास्ट डब करवा के 4 भाषाओं में और एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हैं
बिल्कुल. क्यों
और
नहीं?
सेम वीडियो मैशेबल इंडिया पे डाल सकते हैं.
Absolutely.
ठीक है, चलो दुआ करो भाई, ये 4 भाषाओं में दिखा रहे हैं हम आपको. और अगर
That
अच्छा
should
चल
be
गया
the next step. We should make it happen.
तो या व्हाई नॉट. नो. सो ये बताओ कि मुंबई कितना लेंड करता है आपको एज अ सी सूट. इज देयर अ थॉट दैट यू एवर पेड टू द सिटी लेंडिंग टू योर लीडरशिप?
City lending to the leadership. I haven't thought about it, but I feel like the energy of Mumbai is certainly very conducive because it just teaches you the combination of discipline and perseverance, right? I mean, people coming in the local train, starting
Yeah.
really early, never once complaining. I think that's how I fell in love with the city first. And now I feel like, this city also has a wonderful way of giving, now that you ask leadership lessons, right? That you cannot enjoy the city till you relate to the people and the culture. And once you do that, you will not mind pretty much anything that it throws at you. Where do you see the juxtaposition of the climax of luxury and wealth
या
coinciding with a lot of struggles happening on the street, and yet there will be smiles on the faces,
कैसे?
there will be light in the eyes,
या
and there will be a smile on the face which is not artificial.
या
And then there is a common thread of ambition
Yeah.
to combine it all, right?
दैट्स इन द वॉक.
I mean, if you are down, there is nothing more inspiring just to see that.
या
And I love that on Marine Drive, right? When you're just walking and you experience the city in a beautiful, lovely way. So that's my leadership lesson. But you've stayed here very long as well.
हाँ जी.
So
15 साल.
what's your
कल वाली बात मेरे को जो आपकी बात है उसको मैं इससे मैरी करता हूँ. संजू राठौड़ भाई बहुत इंटेलिजेंटली मराठी लिरिक्स विद हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश
English में है?
भाई साहब वो इधर ही एक्सेप्ट होएगा. मुंबई में वो ब्लेंड है, वो बेली बटनिश फील है कि इट इज ब्रिंगिंग टुगेदर द कल्चर. आई यूज्ड टू फील दैट अबाउट हैदराबाद,
Correct.
बट मुंबई exemplifies it.
Absolutely. It's
And-
the melting pot,
Yeah,
the proverbial.
very New Yorky, very Singapore, very Dubai, all mixed fruit juice. और बहुत सुंदर बात है. बट हम एक बहुत एसेंशियल जिंदगी का आपका पार्ट स्किप करके आगे बढ़े जो है मिंत्रा एंड जबोंग. तो मिंत्रा और जबोंग के बड़े फेलियर्स के बारे में हमें बताओ जो आपको सिखा रहे थे जिंदगी के बारे में या लीडरशिप के बारे में.
I think it was also my early part of transition out from consulting. So I think biggest failure, challenge, lesson, जैसे भी आपने कहना है, I think that was really on the importance of people and culture. You come
Okay.
out of consulting, you think that strategy is everything. So वो तो मतलब strategy is very important, but to assume that will just make everything happen is foolhardy. So I still remember one of my biggest lessons when flying down to Delhi to talk about and my announcement as new head for Jabong. And, obviously there were lots of things on my mind, including, a big, lovely strategy presentation from all the lessons so far in Myntra saying, ऐसे कर देंगे, growth हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा,
तो आप CMO थी
whatever, yeah.
हाँ.
And I was also heading our international brand. So, I thought, what to do. So I land there and, he's about to make that announcement in that town hall equivalent. And there was no energy in the room. You want your first announcement like that to be, at least in your head, you imagine they'll be
excited है ये लोग, नई CEO आई हैं, हाँ.
And I could sense something was off, right? Which on hindsight should actually have been obvious because, CEO transitions are not easy. And this was obviously a case of being acquired by a competitor. It was almost insensitive of me to have not fully thought through it, I admit, on your camera.
Thank you.
But then when I sensed that, right, and I actually didn't present anything. And instead, we decided that, the focus should be on me first listening to what is working in the Vogue and what's not working, because it was obviously a very successful brand.
Yeah.
Till up to a few years ago. And so I just spent my first 30, 60, 90 days in having, I think, nearly 100 plus conversations across the org. And I wouldn't say it dramatically changed the strategy necessarily, but it changed a lot in the how we thought about implementing things. And the big lesson I drew there, right, was that people and culture is the route through which a strategy can take root. If you don't have that, then the best of strategy, you might as well just throw it out of the car because it's not going to give you anything.
Yeah.
And that was, simultaneously both humbling and very empowering because it's hard, it's daunting. But that's the one thing that I think completely changed my outlook on how I wanted to be as a leader, how I wanted to implement things. So, you made me reflect on that after a long time.
No, thank you for sharing. That's very vulnerable of you to do this on camera with us. And किन्हीं भी लोगों को जिनको लीडरशिप पोजीशन प्रदान होती है, कई जगह आप जाते हो और बोलते हैं कि ये ले लो. ये वाली हैक बढ़िया हैक है. आपके पास शायद 100 मीटिंग करने का वो ना हो तो आप 5 मीटिंग करें, 10 मीटिंग करें, बट ये बढ़िया हैक है बिकॉज इट्स ट्रू, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द पीपल इन द कल्चर. वो अपन कितना भी
And it makes a
कर ले.
difference. That's exactly what I'm doing right now as well, right?
Yeah.
I'm meeting all stakeholders, within, outside, and learning.
मस्त है. तो क्या ये सच है जो हमारी क्रिएटर्स की, जो पुराने वाले क्रिएटर्स हैं, प्रताड़ना रही है कि सीपीएम सब कम हो गए हैं? ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
See, I think there is a different way to approach it. And since we again have this avenue, I want to share that I think as a creator, this is, I don't think there could be a more wonderful time. And again, I'll give you a few stats, right? And these are all fresh in my mind because just yesterday, like we were discussing, we had Brandcast as well, which is the forum where we talk to our advertisers about, what's special. And I think the heart of the story we told them is what is truly special about us, and we genuinely believe in it in YouTube, is our creators, right? And now 100 million channels uploaded content on YouTube in India last year. 100 million.
Oh
Okay.
no, that's
So the
competition.
first thing to remember there is, I know you're thinking competition, but I think the first thing to remember there is that the boundaries between users and creators are starting to blur. Which means you need to also take that into account as you're making content, that the people who are consuming could be the future creators.
हाँ जी, सही बात है.
Right? So they are evaluating things with that lens. So that's, I think, one thing. The sheer size and scale, this is no longer, passion projects for people. This is very serious
Dal roti.
intent and real businesses being built out of it. right? And another quick start there is over the last 3 years already, right? And I think the future is brighter. The last 3 years already, YouTube paid out 21,000 crore to creators, artists, media companies that we work with in India. These are, again, this is just a good, humbling reminder that this is the size and scale. These are real businesses. I genuinely believe that the creators of today are already operating like premium studios. I mean, again, your
Hanji.
studio is following us in another car, right? I mean, this is
a premium studio.
This is a premium studio, right? And this is defining the future. How can creators make more money, right?
Yes.
So in this backdrop, we see YouTube's role as also helping expand the pie and grow this ecosystem. And there are different things, therefore, that are coming in that I think are important for creators to be aware of. So obviously, traditional ad monetization is one way. There are other avenues. Brand deals are becoming very popular. And much like, yesterday, one big part of the Brandcast was also a supporting property that we have called Creator Collectives, where creators come together and they learn from each other and share tips on, what's helping them monetize, what's helping them grow. But this collective was special yesterday because we also had brands and advertisers there.
Yeah.
And there was almost a speed dating format where brands had already shared in advance their concepts and things that were on their mind. The creators had thought about it and were sharing how that they would like to bring it alive. So I think this is also part of how brands want to leverage the true power of creators, which I think is the trust and the authenticity they've built with their communities. And I think what's really wonderful, going back to our marketing lessons, is that they're not trying to sell something.
Yeah.
They are very careful and thoughtful about still maintaining that authenticity, right? So this beauty creator in our brand cast yesterday, she talked about how in order to, again, not taking the brand's name, but there was a mascara brand that wanted her to promote it. And their claim was that it is waterproof.
Yeah.
So she literally poured water on camera on herself to see whether it's waterproof or not, right? I think that brand of authenticity is unparalleled, right? So I think that's the power you have as creators. And that's what the brands want more and more.
Correct.
In fact, there were brands equally coming and sharing their success stories of how they worked with, with creators. They saw better results on the creators' content by using something called a partnership advertising product, where you can boost the creators' content.
Correct.
And they saw better results than their own ads in many cases. So you definitely have a completely big new avenue that's shaping up. The third area is, I think there is increasingly more support from the Indian users for paying for content. And we see that reflected in fan funding, memberships. And those numbers are again growing dramatically well. So I would encourage, especially people who own IPs, to think gradually, slowly, experiment. Again, just to give some numbers, right? Nearly 43,000 channels by the end of last year have been using some form of non-ad monetization, whether it be fan funding or memberships, right? So I think that's really fantastic that all this is becoming possible in India. So you don't need to think of it as only a one-leg stool and this is the only way I can monetize. And last but not the least, since I do come from the world of e-commerce as my very last stint, we have a wonderful new shopping affiliate program where currently we are partnered with both Flipkart and Myntra.
Correct.
And you can tag your products and earn commission on those products, and that's growing really strong and well as well. And we've been really happy with the response we are seeing in India.
So cool.
So I think this is just
YT shopping, as you call it.
Yes, YouTube shopping. So there is a whole avenue of monetization available. So I would say that, creators should benefit from all of this, and the pie is only going to keep growing.
Yeah.
So just leverage all of this that's available to you.
So one is basically how जो views आपके होते हैं, अगर
जो
आप वो
views आपके
qualify करते
होते
हो उससे
हैं,
तो
so you're at the YouTube
Partner
YTPP
program.
as we call it. Then you
Brand
can
Connect.
use Brand Connect, you can use memberships and fan funding, and you can use shopping affiliate.
तो टेक्निकली जहां तक मैं समझ रहा हूँ ये हो गया है कि हम सब क्रिएटर बन गए तो सब में बट रहा है भाई, कद्दू कटेगा सब में बटेगा, इसीलिए अपना सीपीएम
और
कम हुआ है
बढ़ेगा।
और बढ़ेगा
बड़ा होता
ऐसा
जा रहा
कटेगा
है।
और बढ़ेगा भी। वो आप लोग देखो, हम लोग बड़ा पाव चाहे
चलो
चलिए। एक क्वेश्चन रह गया, पॉडकास्टर कितने हैं इंडिया में, ये नंबर है आपके पास?
we don't talk about the India numbers separately.
यूएस के नंबर बताओ, चलो बस यार दुनिया के नंबर बताओ।
So I think globally nearly a billion
व्हाट?
nearly a billion views are being seen on podcasts.
Okay.
Views.
So the 650 million was
Shorts.
shorts number in India.
650 million viewers logged in.
Oh, that's
on
just
a
viewers.
monthly
Those are not
basis.
views. Okay,
They're not
crazy.
views. That's viewers.
Okay.
Logged in viewers.
And 1 billion views is on just podcasts
It's
alone.
just on podcast alone. That's globally. The first number was India.
देख लीजिए ब्रांड मैनेजर, आप लोगों को पॉडकास्ट पे क्यों स्पॉन्सरशिप रखनी चाहिए। ये कौन सा वाला है? हाय काम्या, we've taken over your job. Gunjan is now Kamya.
Yum.
Okay, do cheers
Chalo.
and then we go
Cheers.
back.
चलिए जी.
So 1 billion is the number of podcasts.
Number of podcast views
Wow.
globally every week.
1 billion views every week. What? That's superb. Please मुझे अगली बार तक आप इंडिया स्टैट्स के साथ, मतलब इंडिया स्टैट्स बताइएगा पॉडकास्ट के, क्योंकि वो ट्रूली हमें समझना है।
तुम सब कुछ मेरे से आज निकलवाना चाहते हो
हम
अबाउट
कोशिश तो करेंगे, देखिए।
आई कैन सी दैट आई एम नॉट फॉलोइंग फॉर इट.
बट क्या आपके सबसे बड़े टारगेट्स हैं? लाइक डू यू हैव की थिंग्स दैट यू वांट टू अचीव एट योर टाइम विद यूट्यूब? बिकॉज आई एम श्योर वो एक विजन या थॉट्स रहा ही होगा।
No, definitely. I think the beauty of YouTube is that we really see the platform succeeding when the ecosystem succeeds, right? And that is captured both in the mission statement, मैं एक बार बोल दूँ,
हाँ जी।
which is very simple, you know, but I find like a very powerful statement. It simply says that let's give everyone a stage and give them a voice therefore and help them see the world,
मस्त बात है।
right? So when you have that as a mission, first of all, there is no end to accomplishing it. But in very practical terms, it means that we therefore see a role in a हम three pillar flywheel, जैसे भी बोलना है. And the heart of it starts with the creator. Of course, the user is the big reason we all are benefiting from
Yeah.
this flywheel. And the third is advertisers. And therefore, the strategy revolves on supporting and nurturing and investing in all three pillars, right? So therefore, continue to build on this legacy is, I think, the biggest part of what we are embarking on. And I would say personally for me, given that I'm also returning to India, and this is I genuinely feel is India's decade. We are, as an economy, we are stronger than ever before. Having now become the number 3 already.
Yep.
So I think the role that YouTube can play on the power of the creators to really because the creators of today are no longer we call them very fondly content entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
Right? And this energy, the young demographic combined with this economic opportunity, giving them the platform of YouTube is what helps create the nation of the future. And whether we have now been very consistently seeing that creator economy grow. Over the next 2 years, YouTube is committed to invest 850 crores in supporting, you know, this ecosystem in India. And for me, the biggest joy would be as that how all of this comes together to help support in the 1 trillion economy target that we have as a nation.
Yeah.
Right? Because this is you know, when you have 100 million channels uploading content, it means all of them are the entrepreneurs, right? I mean,
Correct.
this is the size and scale of what it is becoming.
That's true. अभी तो हमने ये बात नहीं की भाई इनके अंदर से जो D2C ब्रांड्स निकलेंगे वो क्या होंगे.
वो निकल ही रहे हैं,
हाँ जी,
right?
हाँ.
When I say content entrepreneurs, हम तो सिर्फ channels की side पे देख रहे हैं. You're absolutely right. Many of the creators already have their own D2C brands
Correct.
or are supporting and actively promoting other D2C brands. So ये तो I think the possibilities are just limitless.
Thank you. And like किसी को पार्टनर प्रोग्राम वगैरह पे जाना है तो उनके लिए कोई हैक्स हैं क्या वो या वो अपने आप ही आता है एल्गो डिसाइड करके बताता है.
I think when I talk to creators who have made it, and you should be the one giving tips because you are the made it, super made it category, in
That's
fact.
what I think. So.
You know, as we listen to them and we try and understand what helped them succeed and break through, 3 things they say very consistently, right? One is that they always started with a simple intent of building a community.
Yeah.
Right? Because I think there has to be some purity
Yeah.
with which you start, you know. I mean, you can have a longer term commercial intent, but when you know what you stand for and what you bring to your community in an authentic way, that builds trust. Second, I think one element which is highly underrated about building trust is consistency, right? So consistency of uploads,
Yes.
consistency of what they can expect
Yeah.
in your conversation. Because you know, time is a precious commodity for people, right? And when they are investing time in watching your content, that's very important. And the third thing is then, you know, actually experimenting between, so, you know, successful creators we have seen have experimented with multiple formats. They have experimented with different monetization avenues. And again, if you are a newer creator, I think a lot of them are finding shorts as a good entry point before they graduate on. Shopping is another early entry point that a lot of creators are able to
Tap into through.
So I think versus even as much as 5 years ago, it should only become easier and easier for creators to break through, and that's showing up in the numbers. You know, one other number that I have kept and not shared with you so far
बोलिए ना.
is, you know, in some ways, if there was a measure of, you know, creators who have made it, and if we say 1 million subscriber base is a very meaningful number for that, which you have crossed just for your Mashable morning property.
Yes.
There's now 15,000 channels that have crossed that number in India.
बाप रे 15,000 लोग 1 million के
15,000.
ऊपर. Congratulations,
And
guys.
this number has doubled in just the last 2 years.
What?
It was 7,000
makes sense.
back in the end of 2022. End of 2024, it's 15,000. So I think the numbers are telling us that, you know, more and more creators are actually succeeding, not in just the traditional avenue of monetization, but like I reminded you, also 43,000 channels
Yeah.
are now monetizing outside of the advertising universe as well. So I
करो
don't know.
links,
This
डालो
is
YT shopping
the
के
best
links.
time
बताओ कैसा
for
कितना
this is the
कमाते
best time for creators.
हाँ जी 100% सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए भाई लोग. वो कम नहीं बोलूंगा मैं, वो कंटिन्यूस रहता है अपना. सब्सक्राइब कर लो. और फीडबैक दो यार कमेंट में कैसे हम मैशेबल मॉर्निंग्स को इंप्रूव करें. वी लाइक यू सेड एक्सपेरिमेंटेड. बॉम्बे जर्नी का ऑफशूट है मैशेबल मॉर्निंग्स. थैंक यू देब, यू नो यू व्हाट यू डिड. तो दिस इज ऑल पॉसिबल. हमें कोवर्किंग स्पेस ने इसका वो दिया था ब्रीफ, and that's how Mashable Mornings is born.
Got created.
So think about it, like what are the chances?
Exactly.
But a decade ago ना Gunjan, आपको मैं बताऊं तो when we went to like a WPP or a, you know, any of the big agencies, Dentsus of the world or Chail, we would talk about masthead ले लिया 1 साल तक. तो या वो इन्वेंट्री ब्लॉक हो गई क्या. And we remember rates going up from 70 lakhs to 1.4 crores very soon. And we were like, what, it's so expensive. But that whole concept is sort of gone. So like now advertisers need to plug in with creators, right?
I think obviously the masthead as a property is still available, but a lot more has changed, right? And to your point, the way people interact with brands itself is fundamentally
Sahi
changing,
bola.
right? So when I talk about users, the really interesting thing that we are seeing is that users are searching on YouTube for shopping intent, right? Which is
Yeah.
what brands care about. And of course, their own information intents and so on and so forth. But they're searching, they are streaming, obviously, they are scrolling,
They're learning.
they're scrolling, learning, and they are also shopping. So all four things are happening simultaneously now, which is very different from your 10-year ago statistic,
Correct,
right?
correct.
And therefore 10 year ago, obviously, you would be looking at masthead. But now, because all four behaviors are happening, you're far more incentivized to work with the creators so that you can be part of that journey. And the other big difference is, we've done some, and again, this should make, especially the creators and users on your podcast happy, is that studies are showing that actually, and I may get the number slightly wrong, but it was certainly over 80%. It may even have been over 90%. But more than 80% of users, one, feel comfortable and have trust when products are recommended by YouTube creators,
क्या बात है?
right? And that is the currency of fandom. I call literally the currency of fandom, right? This
सही
is
बात
the
है.
new currency. And that is the currency that must get nurtured, and which is exactly why you're absolutely right in saying that you can no longer ignore, because they've become an integral part of the trust equation
Yeah.
for the journey of the user.
Brands and agencies right now. But क्या ऐसी चीज है जो ब्रांड्स को जाननी चाहिए क्रिएटर्स के बारे में और क्रिएटर्स को जाननी चाहिए ब्रांड्स के बारे में, ताकि ये रिलेशनशिप थोड़ी और सिम्बायोटिक हो? क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत क्रिएटर्स आके बोलते हैं यार ब्रांड ने अपनी बात करवा दी, और कितनी बार ब्रांड्स बोलती हैं यार क्रिएटर्स तो मानते ही नहीं. डू यू हैव अ थॉट ऑन दैट?
So ये तो आर्ट ऑफ मीडिएशन है. हर एक को सीखनी ही पड़ती है अपनी लाइफ में.
आर्ट ऑफ मीडिएशन फोर्स, यही है
But,
आपका सत्य.
Look, fundamentally, it's important for brands to know, and this was one of the key themes in the Brandcast yesterday, that when trust and authenticity is the important currency, the more you let the creators interpret and do it in the way that's authentic for their community, the more the likelihood of success. And the flip side of it, was that actually several brands, leaders and CMOs talked about the fact that because now they have to work with, 500 creators.
Yeah.
Sometimes, even one brand, and I'm not taking their name, they were working with 1 lakh creators.
That's true. I know who you're
Right?
talking about.
So basically, then how do you also maintain, because remember, in their head, how do you maintain the integrity of the brand?
Correct.
Right? And I have personally been there, and I think anybody who's a good creator actually also has a brand of their own.
Correct.
So just like you are protecting the authenticity and trust, the brands are also equally worried about the same, right?
Yeah.
So creators, remember that just like you protect your brands, they need to protect their brand.
Correct.
And brands remember the same thing.
Yeah.
So then we once we all understand each other better, we can work more strongly. But it's already happening, right? I mean, that's why you have brands working with 500 plus creators, 1 lakh creators, and so on. So this is no longer theoretical. This is
Correct.
happening all around us simultaneously.
Bring good brand briefs back, please. I remember a 6-pager brief that was so extensive, any Tom, Dick and Harry would understand it. And those days are gone. WhatsApp पे brief मत भेजिए, please. नमन है. आपके साथ मैंने भी हाथ धो लिया थोड़ा सा.
Okay.
नहीं, but ये सही बात है. Like you said, creators सब run of the mill type campaign मत करो. इनको 3 शॉट एक लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियो देना है तो उसके ऐसा बना देते हैं, खत्म हो गया. थोड़ा वो ट्विक करना पड़ेगा ही आपको. It's a 50-50%. Like if I can quote the most random person here, but
हाँ.
सीमा आंटी फ्रॉम इंडियन मैच मेकिंग. थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ता है.
Oh, what a brilliant thought. Yes.
ये बताओ कि आमिर खान साहब के साथ वाली मीटिंग में आप थी क्या, और ओटीटी से कम्पीट कर रहे हैं क्या ऑफिशियली आप लोग?
So I knew that this would come. Look, अब इतने हमने उस पर प्रेस रिलीज कर लिया है, तो आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी न्यूज ऑन इट लेफ्ट. Yes, of course, we have partnered with Amir, and he's such a thoughtful and brilliant thinker on the whole shaping of the industry. I think there is a genuine belief that by looking at the windowing strategy in a somewhat different way, the pie can be expanded for all the constituents. And I think that is really where the media industry and especially our film industry is looking for avenues to expand beyond the limits of the theatre reach, right? Because theatre screens is the key problem.
Correct.
Limitation on that front. So that was the kernel of the thought. And obviously as YouTube and we talked about the 75 million users on the large screen, and then a even more massive theater in my pocket phenomena.
Correct.
So how do we tap that? So that is the key kind of thought process there. It's a journey that we are on, and I think it's a very good one for the industry, because it's, like I said, it only expands the pie. We have also partnered recently with the Screen to bring the award back in its digital format.
Oh, really?
On YouTube.
So Screen Awards are coming back on
Screen Awards
YouTube.
are coming back on YouTube.
क्या बात है?
And again, it's such an iconic property for the industry.
उनको बोलना पॉडकास्ट के लिए अवार्ड रखें.
बिल्कुल बोलेंगे. So I think again that's going back to your point, therefore, on the what is happening, right? This is a very positive transition again, because the TV, and again I'm going to say it as it is, right? We genuinely think YouTube is the new TV.
हाँ, सही बात है.
Right? And it is not mimicking traditional TV. In fact, it is the TV of the new generation.
सही बात है.
And therefore, there should be no surprise that all of this is happening. It's only going to happen more and more.
I'm really hoping for bigger, celebrities to come on board and start seeing YouTube for what it is, because as of when we speak, Soha Ali Khan has dropped her own podcast. I know Kunal Khemu is also launching a music channel. It's mental. Plus, India has the
Farah was
largest
there
YouTube
yesterday
channel. Farah was there.
in FanFest.
Archana Puran Singh and her family doing content is mad.
It's just amazing what is happening. And again, what's very interesting is that all of them want to bring their authentic self. Right? Not the fad, not the in the moment.
Correct.
So I think that's also a key part of the YouTube brand and integrity, that the trust and authenticity is a key part of it.
सही बात है. So there is no YT versus OTT. It is YT and OTT that exist together.
Absolutely. I think it's very easy to start kind of falling in that trap, but ultimately, we exist to support the ecosystem, and therefore, from our perspective, what matters is how we keep focusing on, expanding the pie for everyone.
Yeah. And
there is, like we said, 400% growth you quoted. So when that's happening, when users are becoming creators, there's going to be more for everyone.
पहली बार हम लोग गूगल का कैंटीन देखेंगे, जो कि एक बहुत ही कूल कैफे जैसा है. Have you put on the Google weight, as they call it?
You can see I have put on some weight, yes.
No, you haven't. It's a G+7 or a G+8. Googlers watching this, please let us know in comments. But this is very beautiful. You have a...
I'm so glad you like it. Yes.
We'll feast on it right after.
And food have positive association.
Yeah. How excited are you about AI?
Super excited.
इंस्पिरेशन टैब जाके देख लो, क्योंकि सारी टिप्स गुंजन ही क्यों दें आपको. YouTube एनालिटिक्स कितना समझ ली हो आप खुद?
I would say maybe 6 on 10.
Not bad, yeah, not bad. Are there any hacks that you would like to give us on analytics that any and every creator should know?
I think you guys will give me far more hacks. Every time I
Really?
talk to creators, they have their own version of it.
Comments को ध्यान से पढ़ो. I think so. That's one of those
Absolutely.
biggest things. What's new and upcoming that we should know about?
I think we talked quite a few of them. So I wouldn't take in any particular sequence, but I think since monetization is the big priority, I would say watch out for fan funding, memberships, and shopping.
कैसे fan funding increase करे कोई?
So, अच्छा कंटेंट बना के
और मांगो
ताकि लोगों
दिल
को
से.
लगे कि देना चाहिए.
Yeah, I think somebody who's doing great in the publishing world is just, I think they go do very deep down on ground coverage, very good gritty documentaries, and they say please support our work. And I think that really helps. Our publisher is going to be a focus, or is creators the focus?
I think everything is our focus. Absolutely.
Yeah. So nothing like that. How often are you at the T-Series office now they're the biggest creator in the world?
Well, their journey has been really amazing and inspiring, and I think they continue to do so well. So
More
they will
movies
remain important.
Like Sitare coming on YouTube?
There will be more and more for
You
sure.
can't tell us which one though.
No.
Oh,
If I
shit.
did that, then where will be the suspense?
Do you think creators are here to stay? Because सब लोग बोलते रहते हैं influencers एक farce है, वो जल्दी बंद होने वाला है. They're not going to be there for longer.
I think there is no doubt in my mind that creators are more than here to stay. Let me remind again with the 100 million channels,
yeah.
15 million with 1 million plus subscribers. Brands, where will you go?
That's true. I will come around on the partner program whenever I'm meeting my partner. Hopefully we get a partner because I miss Krishna. Hi Krishna. Thank you so much for being on Mashable Mornings.
Absolutely,
कैसा
sir.
लगा आपको हमारे
Pleasure.
से बात करके?
बहुत बढ़िया. Hopefully you
मजा आया?
enjoyed it as well. And now let's enjoy some Google hospitality and food.
ये आप लोगों को कैसा लगा प्लीज हमें कमेंट्स में बताना. मैं दिमाग का दही कॉर्पोरेट वर्जन गुंजन के साथ लॉन्च करने वाला हूँ होपफुली. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू मैशेबल इंडिया and check out all the other creators that we spoke about. If you are a creator and you want us at Mashable India to check you out, then please हमें comments में बताओ. We look at tech content, cultural content, cinema content or entertainment content and business with Mashable Mornings. Plus automobiles, of course. You know Renuka. Bye.